Now beta, we are going to start company accounts, issue of shares, chapter number 7. In this we will study about the companies, the financial dealing of the company. What is a company? It is different from partnership. A company is a voluntary association of persons formed through the process of law for the purpose of carrying on some business. So company is an artificial person created by law, having separate entity with a perpetual succession and a common seal. These are the basic features of a company also. Company is an artificial person created by law, having separate entity with a perpetual succession and a common seal. These are the features also. Bache, what is separate legal entity? A company is a legal person and its entity is quite distinct and separate from its members. It can purchase and sell the properties in its own name, can open bank account in its own name, and can enter into contracts. Since a company has a legal personality distinct from that of its members, a creditor of such a company can sue only the company for his debts and not any of its members. So it's a separate legal entity. Members are not having any deal with this thing. If company is not able to pay the debts, then only company can be sued in the court, not the members. Perpetual succession. The existence of company is not affected by the retirement, death, lunacy or insolvency of its members. Shareholders may come and shareholders may go, but the company goes on forever. Company goes on forever whether the shareholders come or go. Next is bache, limited liability. The liability of shareholders of a company is limited to the unpaid value of his shares. For example, if the face value of a share in a company is rupees 10 and a shareholder has already paid rupees 8, he can be called upon to pay not more than 2 rupees. Only his liability is limited to the extent of the value of share, that means rupees 10. Then bache, common seal. A company may or may not maintain a common seal. If it has a common seal, it is affixed to all the important documents of the company. This is just like a signature. Being an artificial person, company cannot sign any document. So this is a artificial signature. A common seal is a signature. Transferability of shares. The capital of the company is divided into parts called shares. These shares are freely transferable subject to certain conditions. You can transfer the shares of the company to any other person very easily. Separation of management from ownership. Shareholders are the true owners of the company, but usually the number of shareholders is quite large, and as such it is neither possible nor desirable for each member to take part in the day-to-day management of the company. Therefore, the company is managed by a board of directors elected by the shareholders. Kinds of company, beta. There are three types of company. Company registered under the Companies Act 2013 may be classified as three categories. The Act is 2013 now. Unlimited company, company limited by guarantee, company limited by shares. You have already studied in 11th class company limited by shares, private company and public company. Now one more company is there, one person company. Unlimited company. Unlimited company is a company where there is no limit on the liability of its members. It means when a company suffers loss and the member will be used to meet the claims. Property is not sufficient to pay the debts. The private property of its members will be used to pay the claims of the creditors. As the risk involved in such a company is too high, these are not found in India, even though these are permitted by the Companies Act. So there are no unlimited companies in India because unlimited company means the liability of shareholder is unlimited. This is not found in India. Second is bache, company limited by guarantee. In case of such a company, the liability of the members is limited to the extent of the guarantee given by them. In the event of winding up of the company, the liability of its member will arise only in the event of winding up of the company. Only at the time of winding up, the liability of members arises. Next is bache company limited by shares. This is mostly found in India. In case of such a company, the liability of its members is strictly limited to the extent of the nominal value of shares held by each of them. If a member has already paid the full amount of the shares, he will not be liable to pay any amount. If a member has partly paid shares, he can be forced to pay the remaining amount. This liability of shareholder is only restricted to the value of shares. Private company. As per Section 2, subsection 68 of Companies Act 2013, a private company is one which by its articles of association restricts the right to transfer its shares, limits the number of its members to 200, exclusive of past and present employees, only 200 members, restrict to transfer. The main feature of private company is they cannot transfer their share. They cannot transfer their share. They are investing private money. That's why it is called private company. And a public company which cannot be a private company. They can invite people for taking money from them. So, bache, directly I want to go for the balance sheet of the company. This format you have to draw, bache. Presentation of share capital in company's balance sheet. Now, what is a share? The whole capital of a company is divided into small parts, and each such small part is a share. Each such small part is called a share. And values of share can be asked in 4 installments. If I am issuing a share of my company, I can ask in 4 installments. 4 installments are application,